Hello everyone. It is a calm Friday morning. I'm alone at home. I just came to the rooftop to hang clothes to dry like always. These days are really rainy and it has been raining continuously. So we can't leave out clothes like we do during the dry hot season. That bird is eating something. I am not sure what that was. So here one of my cats is here. She's inspecting what all this commotion is. There are so many squirrels running from one tree to see, do you see that? They are just jumping from one branch to the other. I hope she won't be able to catch anyone. So what I was telling was, mornings are really busy these days because non-rainy period of the day is very short. It rains during the evening and night, so it will probably rain within few hours. The clothes don't even really dry properly. So I have an update. She's probably wondering why I'm talking to the phone. I have an update about my book that I'm writing. Yes, baby girl. Your mommy is writing a book. She can't believe it. My God, there are so many things happening around me. I can't even focus right now. So I've been writing a book for the past couple of days, but during the last 2-3 days I totally forgot that I have been doing that. I was busy throughout the day and I forgot to write. I have to write at least one page today. It was flowing really nicely, but I forgot to write. That is the update for my writing project. And if we talk about my life right now, it's not bad, but it's not good either. I'm losing weight. On a positive note, I'm happy. I've been fat, very fat, as a teenager. Then I lost weight for around 25 kilograms. Then I gained it all back after a breakup. I was thin, but I don't know what. I mean, it was probably due to the stress. I wasn't even eating so much, but I gained weight up to 85 kilograms. But now I'm around 71 right now, so I'm happy. I'm not starving myself for anything. I'm just eating just until I feel full or satiated. I don't eat anymore just for the pleasure of eating. That's all I'm doing right now. And I know I have told you this one before, but I will be turning 29 in less than a month, actually, in 3 weeks. But I have been single since 2016. And I haven't even talked to anyone up until now. It's not because no one is approaching me, pursuing me. It's not that. It's just that I'm not interested in anyone anymore. I can't trust anyone. That's the problem. Unless someone just pops up and tell me that he will marry me, he will provide for me, he will protect me, he will protect our kids that we will have together, whether I'm alive or not. If he is loyal, if he is hardworking, if he is successful, if he has a house, if he has a good pedigree, then I'll marry him. But I won't date anyone. I will date only after marrying. The first thing that someone asks from me is, are you single? If the answer is yes, he should just straight up propose to me like someone would have done in our proper South Asian culture, because there's no such thing as dating really. He should straight up discuss that with my mom. It's not that I'm asking for too much, because I'm almost 29 and I have preserved myself. I'm a virgin. I don't have a bad reputation. I'm a good homemaker. I have an engineering degree. I can't make the best of it because of the situation in my country, but I'm educated. I'm okay looking. I'm well mannered. So that's that. I've been talking for so long. It is almost about to rain. I need to go downstairs and make myself a coffee because I'm already tired. I washed clothes, I had breakfast. I've been feeling really tired lately. Maybe it is because I have my period right now. I'm not sure if that's the reason, but I've been feeling pretty lethargic. Okay, I should go downstairs. Um, I will bring another video pretty soon. I hope you enjoyed the nature while listening to my rant, or just blabbering, if you will. Like always, thank you so much for watching my videos. It means a lot to me. It means more than you can ever imagine, actually. So I'm going to go. Thank you so much for watching.